Eddie Bauer just closed every store it has left. 106 years old, and the last one goes dark this spring. But the company that owns the name Eddie Bauer did not lose a cent. Let's do the teardown. Here is the trick. The thing that went bankrupt was never the brand. In February, a company called Eddie Bauer LLC filed for Chapter 11 in New Jersey. That company only ran the stores, and it listed more than $1 billion in debt. So if the stores are the ones that died, who kept the name? The name belongs to a company most people have never heard of, Authentic Brands Group. They bought Eddie Bauer back in 2021, and here is what they actually do. They own the name. They never run a single store. Someone else pays to use it and eats the rent, the staff, and the inventory. Authentic takes almost none of the risk. It just owns the word and waits for the check. And that operator is the one that just collapsed. Sales fell, tariffs bit, and when they put the stores up for sale, nobody bid. The auction got canceled, and all 175 stores are closing by the end of April. The going out of business sale will raise about $21 million against that $1 billion in debt. The whole loss stays on the operator. The name walks away clean. And the name barely noticed. A full month before the stores filed, Authentic had already handed the website to a new operator. Same coats, same logo, a different company paying to sell them. And the royalties never stopped. This is the entire business. Authentic owns more than 50 famous names and runs none of them. These are names you know, kept alive long after the companies behind them shut down. It does not make coats. It rents out the words Eddie Bauer and collects a check. The store chain has now gone bankrupt 3 times in 20 years. The name just keeps changing tenants. So Eddie Bauer didn't really die. Only its stores did. The name turned into something you rent, and the renter takes the fall. If you want more teardowns like this, subscribe. There is a new one every day.